Hello guys, my name is Vishal. Today we will learn about linked list creation. So in this tutorial I will explain you the insert method inside the linked list. Okay, let's begin. Firstly, I have sample package data structure. Inside that I am going to create one class. I'm saying it list implementation. Now inside this class I am going to define the main method that I will use later. Now I need to create the class for the list. So let's start. Public static linked list. This should be class. Inside this class we need to define the item. I will explain you what is the item. So this item is nothing but a model that will hold your data and the item. So we need to define this class inside this class as the inner class. So what we will do, we will do public class item item next and int data. So this class contains two fields. First one is your item that will be point to your next index, and second one is your data field. Item int data. Here we will say this dot data equals data and this dot next equals null. Let's make it public because I'm going to use it outside of this class. Now we need to create one method that will responsible for inserting the elements into this list. Okay, public linked list insert item that have two arguments. First is linked list. Second is data. In this method, we need to first identify the item if the list is null. So for that case, we need to create the item object. So let's see how we will create the item object. Data, and we will say item dot data item dot next equals null. Now here we need to check to check whether list is empty. In this situation we need to check if linked list dot item double equals null. If this is the case, then we need to say linked list dot item equals item. Okay guys, else we will see we need to create the object. because this time the list is having the item. List is not empty basically. Item 1, or we can say last. So last, so this time we need to fetch the item from the linked list. So linked list dot item. Now we will see check if last dot next is not equals null. If this is the case guys, then in this situation what we need to do, we will say here last equals last dot next, and we will say now last dot next equals item. So basically this condition will execute multiple time while you will pass the list here. So here we need to take it as a while loop, and finally we will return here our linked list. So that's it guys for inserting. Now we need to work on printing this list. So we need to create one more method. For that concern, we will say public linked list is the type void print list linked list asset. Now firstly we need to identify the item. So how will we identify item? Let's see. Linked list dot item. That's it. Now we will check if item not equals null. If this is the case, then we will say that item dot data, and we also need to do that item equals item dot next. Okay guys, now in order to print the list we need to consume this class inside our main method. So I will duplicate this row because we need to insert multiple items. You can take loop or a different approach. So finally we will print the list. Linked list dot print list and linked list. So this condition will also occur multiple times. So that's why we need to write here while loop. So let's try to print this guys. What we will get in result. Okay, we got whatever we have printed. We are printing 1 2 3 4 5 6. So all our element was successfully implemented. So in this way we can implement the linked list, and we can also insert the data in the linked list. In the next video I will discuss with you about deletion inside the linked list. So subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.